Okay, this is going to be completely straightforward. Multiplying and dividing integers is probably the easiest thing you will do in this unit. It is very straightforward. There is a rule for same signs and there's a rule for different signs. So let's look at these answers. If I have 4 times 3, we know in life that answer is 12. 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, and we know that. We know that because we've been doing that forever. We're great at that. Okay, negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. It's the same signs. Negative 2 times negative 5 is 10. Negative 4 times negative 6 is 24. Okay, so here's the rule. The rule is that when you're multiplying or dividing integers, okay, if they have the same signs, that you multiply or divide the digits, and the answer is always positive. Okay, and I'm going to show some division here. So if I have 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is also 2. There are 2 negative 2's in negative 4. Okay, makes sense? I mean, same exact thing. So if the signs are the same, you ignore the signs, do your multiplying or dividing, and the answer is positive. If the signs are the same, they get along, they are great, and they are positive. Now, if the signs are different, that's a whole another situation. And I'm going to put the dividing part down here. This is negative 4 divided by positive 2. Okay, so 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Okay, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. 4 times negative 6 is equal to negative 24. Negative 4 times positive 3 is also negative 12. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 4 times positive 6, negative 24. If I divide 4 by negative 2, my answer is going to be negative 2. If I divide negative 4 by 2, it's going to be negative 2. Okay, so the rule here is that you multiply or divide, okay, and you're writing this all down as I am. You multiply or divide, and the answer is always negative. The answer is always negative. So that's pretty much it. I mean, really, the rule is, you're multiplying or dividing. That doesn't change. Same signs, positive. Different signs, negative. So if you wanted to write it as shorthand, I can write down here, same signs. If they have the same signs, they are positive. Okay? If they have different signs, they are negative. Now, just a little bit of just a little conversation about multiplying more than 2 digits. So if I have 4 times negative 3 times negative 2 times 1, okay? 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. Okay, negative 24 times 1 is negative 24. So you need to, this is positive, sorry, negative times negative, positive and positive. Okay, so you need to kind of watch that. Okay, it may change as you go along as you're multiplying through. If I have more than one negative, if I have negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, my answer is going to be negative 27. This would be positive, and then that positive answer would turn negative. Notice I have an odd number of negatives. If there's an odd number of negatives, the answer is always going to be negative. And an even number of negatives will be positive. And we're going to be doing a lot of practicing of this. And so the main thing to remember at this point is same signs, positive, different signs, negative. And if you have a long string of numbers, you need to pay attention to the differences in the signs. Okay, good job.